Okay, we're just doing a casing comparison here for informational purposes. This one is the .308 caliber, standard NATO round, or used to be our standard NATO round, 7.62 millimeter. Our new NATO round is the .223 caliber, or the 5.56. Now this is the one that I'd spoke of for the SKS, the predecessor for the AK-47. It is the identical round that the AK-47 uses. It has a steel casing on it, so you can't reload it. It's actually quite a small round for the notoriety that the Kalashnikov firearm uses. This casing is for a .30-30 Winchester. Now that is the same casing that you see in the Westerns with the lever actions. This is what it fired. A very popular hunting cartridge, which is the .270. Interestingly enough, this is also a .270, but it's called the Winchester Short Mag. And out in the woods, it's also referred to as Rolling Thunder. The .303 British for the .303 Lee Enfield. Very nice round. This is basically the round, and it's even a full metal jacket at top. This is the round that they were shooting people with in World War I. These three right here was what was used in the Vietnamese War. This one is still very much in use. And the new M16s are using the .223. Now in the Pistola, we have the .22 caliber. Easily recognizable. Everybody seems to recognize this one. This is the 9mm Browning Long. And this is the 9mm Parabellum. This is what the Glock uses. Now, the Husky that I had shown you, or the, if you wish, the Browning 1903, uses this one. And it's almost indistinguishable, but it is just a wee bit shorter. This one is for the Totorkov, which is the 7.62 by 25. It's a 9mm casing on the bottom, but it's a .30 caliber, same as the .308 cartridge. .357 Magnum. It was the big boy on the block before the .44 came in. .38 Special. Any pistol that uses the .357 Magnum will also use the .38 Special. They are identical rounds, except the .357 casing is a bit longer, as you can see. And other than that, that's the only thing that makes it the Magnum. Now, the .44 Remington Magnum. Big case, a lot of power in this thing. This is what we feed into the Ruger. Now, these two are .455 cartridges. This one is the one that we've made out of, no, sorry, this one is the rimmed cartridge for the .455, known as a Weatherby Mark II. This one is the one manufactured out of the .45 ACP. Now the difference is here, of course, like I said, one is a rimmed cartridge and one has no rim. It's for an ACP automatic centerfire pistol. And those are the general rounds that I use. Good information to have, and it's nice to be able to see the comparisons.